Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, all of you are well and having a very good time. Here I am to conduct a class of Ideal 7 and its English. Today, we will learn about unseen passage items. Before starting our class, let's see some maps. I know that after seeing first map, you can obviously know that it's our motherland, that is Bangladesh. Second one is Sri Lanka and last one is China. Here these maps are about population density. So our unseen passage is about population density. Well, let's read the passage carefully to understand the meaning. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and China are three Asian countries. Hey there, today's class I will translate into Bangla for your better understand. Okay, let's begin. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and China are three Asian countries. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka ও চীন হচ্ছে এশিয়ার তিনটি দেশ. We know that inland area Bangladesh is larger than Sri Lanka, where China has the highest land area among the three countries. আমরা জানি ভূমির আয়তনে বাংলাদেশ শ্রীলঙ্কার চেয়ে বড়, যেখানে চীনের আয়তন হচ্ছে তিনটি দেশের মধ্যেই বড়। The population of China is 1.33 billion. চীনের জনসংখ্যা হচ্ছে 133 কোটি। In fact, it's the highest populated country in the world. বস্তুত এটি পৃথিবীতে সবচেয়ে বড় জনবসতিপূর্ণ দেশ। The population of Sri Lanka is only 20 million, where Bangladesh has 160 million. শ্রীলঙ্কার জনসংখ্যা মাত্র 2 কোটি, যেখানে বাংলাদেশের জনসংখ্যা 16 কোটি। It's amazing that China, which possesses the highest land area and population, has a birth rate of 12.29 per thousand. এটা বিস্ময়কর যে চীন সবচেয়ে বড় ভূমি নিয়ে বেষ্টিত এবং প্রতি হাজারে জনসংখ্যা বৃদ্ধির হার 12.29. Bangladesh has the highest birth rate and it's 20.1 per thousand, where the birth rate of Sri Lanka is 17.42. বাংলাদেশে জন্মহার সবচেয়ে বেশি, এটি প্রতি হাজারে 20.1, যেখানে শ্রীলঙ্কার জন্মহার 17.42. So, from the above discussion, it can be said that China is trying to control the birth rate as it has the highest population in the world. অতএব উপরের আলোচনা থেকে এটা বলা যেতে পারে যে চীন জনসংখ্যার হার নিয়ন্ত্রণ করার চেষ্টা করছে, যেহেতু এর জনসংখ্যা বিশ্বের সবচেয়ে বেশি। On the other hand, the countries which are underdeveloped are not so aware of the control of birth rate. অন্যদিকে অনুন্নত দেশগুলো জনসংখ্যা নিয়ন্ত্রণে সচেতন নয়। I hope that you have realized the passage very well. Now we will find out some new words here. First one is possesses. Possesses, that's the meaning is cover, অর্থ হচ্ছে আচ্ছন্ন করা অথবা আবিষ্ট করা। Second one, discussion meaning discourse, যেটার অর্থ হচ্ছে আলোচনা করা। বার্থ রেট তোমরা সবাই জানো, দ্যাটস মিনিং যে ন্যাটালিটি, যেটা হচ্ছে জন্মহার। নাও ইনফরমেশন ট্রান্সফার। As you can see here the table with some gaps. First one is China. Here the gap is in the population column. To find out the gap word, we have to find out the sentence of China population. Here I am red marked the sentence you see. So the answer is 1.33 33 billion. Second and third one are gap with given function 160 million. So here the keyword is 160 million. We have to find out the sentence through 160 million. As you can see that I have marked the sentence 160 million, that is Bangladesh. So the country name is Bangladesh. Now we have to find out the birth rate of Bangladesh. You can see that second para, second line is red mark, and the Bangladesh birth rate is 20.1 per thousand. Number 4 and 5th gaps are with 20 million. So the keyword is 20 million. We have to find out that country which has 20 million population. In the first para of the passage, you can see that the population of Sri Lanka is 20 million. Now birth rate of Sri Lanka, the last red marked of the passage, you can see that 17.42. So the answer is 17.42. Then true false. You have to write down true if the statement is true, and for false statement you have to write down false with correct statement. First sentence, the passage deals with 3 countries of South Asia. You can say easily that the passage is about the population density of Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and China. So the statement is right and answer is true. Number B is China is the highest populated country in the world. You can see that I have red marked the line in first para, then the answer is true. Number C is China possesses the highest birth rate among the mentioned countries. To know this answer, we have to compare the birth rate among the 3 countries. After comparing the birth rate, we can see that highest birth rate in Bangladesh and lowest birth rate in China. So the sentence is false and you have to write correct statement. Number D, Sri Lanka is a developing country. That is true. Last one, Bangladesh is aware of controlling birth rate. It's absolutely false. So we have to write statement. Well, let's see the answer. Dear students, try to practice unseen passages this way from model questions. No more today. Keep learning every single day. Stay safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.